G'day Oz ADV rider, I finally replaced my old tyre. We'll have a quick chat about that and then I'll talk about the new one. So I had the Motoz Tractionator DV. Did 11,000 kilometres on that tyre, really impressed with it. So a couple of bad points, it's noisy and not great on the road in the wet. It's not scary but it's a little slippery. Otherwise pretty good on the road, really good off-road. Mine's scalded pretty bad, as expected. I do a lot of highway riding on it. So I've replaced it with a second-hand Motoz Tractionator Dual Venture. Now I was planning on buying a new one, nothing was available at the time and this used one popped up on eBay, 65 bucks second-hand, so I thought why not give it a go. Now to me the tyre doesn't look like it's going to be any good off-road. I don't like the way the knobs are all in a row, it looks like it'll have no lateral traction, but we'll find out. It should be better on road. It's reversible, so if it does start scalloping you can turn it around and get some more life out of it. I'm not going to get a true indication of what the tyre's like being second hand, but we'll still get a bit of an idea. Righto, we'll see what it's like on the gravel. This looks like nice dry gravel. Yep. Holding this line while the back end's all over the place, so that's a good sign. Yeah, it's feeling pretty good. Righto, happy with it in loose gravel. Let's see what it brakes like. Holy shit, not bad. Bloody hell. That's surprising. Where am I going here? It's ain't straight. If you say straight, we'll go straight. Give me a chance to test it out on something a little more challenging. It's feeling pretty bloody good. We've got 32 psi in that front tyre too. Okay, we're getting a bit of clay here. Oh, a nice greasy hill. Down we go. The back's struggling more than the front. It's actually dried up a lot. We're going to go over these routes. No worries. Yeah, back's spinning everywhere. We'll go up there. Just see what it's like on a few twisties. Yeah, nice. Tell you what, we'll go right around this roundabout, get a feel for that tyre. Roundabouts are always a concern on off-road tyres. Where are you going, dude? Going that way? Feels pretty good. Got that over a fair way. Got the back to spin on the way out. I was really prepared not to like that tyre, it surprised me. Much better off-road than I thought. It was good on the road, good in the gravel, and yeah, it felt pretty good in the mud too. Bit of clay. Back wheel was all over the place and the front was holding steady, so... Oh yeah, I like that. Righto, fun going out testing stuff. How about a few donuts?